it's better to notice it when it's at night time, really. But the funny thing about this crossing is the lights don't go all the way out. They're very, very, very dim when they're flashing. Like when the lights go off to come back on again, they're very dim. But obviously, when the crossing barriers are up, the lights are out all the way. If you watch Paul Gimmon's video of this crossing at night, then you'll see what I'm on about. Like the lights don't go fully out. Same at Newark Castle, before it got upgraded in 2015, I think. 2015.